iostudy.net.
Hello everyone, this is Danielle again, and in this video we're going to talk about the English grammar rules for as, talking about reason and time. So as you can see, in half of our mind map we will talk about reason, and the other half we talk about time. So let's first start with reason. We have two examples. Example number 1. As I was feeling tired, I wanted to go to bed early. And as she is short, she can't reach the bookshelf. So both of these are using as to talk about the reason for something. So now let's go over to the other side, talking about time. So time, we use time when actions happen at the same time, and one action happens when another is happening, and just as equals exactly at that moment. So we use as to talk about time in these three instances. Let's see actions that happen at the same time. Number 1, I am watching him as he opens the letter. And as he is listening to music, she is watching TV. So both of these are talking about things that happen at the same time. So I am watching him and he opens the letter, same time. He is listening to music, she is watching TV at the same time. Okay, so then one action happens when another is happening. For example, he came as I was studying, and as I am cooking, the phone rings. So one action happens when another is happening. Finally, just as is exactly at that moment. So for example, just as I sat down, the phone rang. And just as we were going out, it started to rain. Okay, so both of these are using just as to mean exactly at that moment. Okay, so now we have the completed mind map for as using reason and time. So you can come back to this at any time for your reference. Now we can go ahead and click here to find the outline on as for reason and time. So as, reason, and time, this is the outline for you. So you can scroll through this, read through it to find more information and more examples of sentences. So when you are finished reading through this outline, you can click here to take the test and test what you know. And in the next video, we will take the test together. And so thank you for joining me in this video where we learned about the grammar rules for as, reason, and time. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.